Hey friends, hello to everyone. My name is Ashish and I hope you guys are doing great in your life. Today is 17th April and today is the day. In 2018 we got shifted from DDA flats to Kanpur location. So in that occasion, as it's a milestone day today, we have completed 2 years at Kanpur location. So I congratulate Jeet sir, Pushu sir, all the team Shrine and all the students of the Shrine of English. The journey has been great. In last 2 years, we have done so many wonderful things in institute. As you, those who have ever been to our institute, our current students, they could notice the wonderful atmosphere, ambience, the facilities which we were able to provide all of you. So many changes we brought. We had video classes through projector. We got a wonderful, beautiful library with more than 2,000 books. Our classes got upgraded. We had better opportunities for students. Students qualities got better. We had intense grammar classes, intense competition classes, and we organized many more activities. In last 2 years, I also personally developed myself a lot in this place, and it's kind of home to me because I spend most of my time at institute only, and I remember each and every moment of last 2 years with the institute, good or bad, but I remember everything. And this place is bigger and has also made me a better person in my life. A lot of appreciation goes to Jeet sir for taking this bold step, for making this place the way it is. And many people, they even only dream and are not able to achieve the things, but he was the one who dreamt something like this, and he was also able to build it. It requires courage, it requires knowledge of a person, or it also requires a leap of faith, which he has. There are many things we still have to achieve in life. There are many things we have planned and we'll soon be working on it. And but these 2 years were wonderful. And today, 17th April, is also the day when I had joined this institute. So today is also very important and special day for me, because I have completed 7 years with the Shrine of English. And personally, this journey will always be one of the most important things which I'll be taking with me into my grave. And I am what I am today because of the Shrine of English, because of the Jeet sir, because of my mentors, and because of the people I have got in my life because of the institute. And if I'm able to dream big, if I'm able to be positive in life, if I'm able to work so hard rigorously, and whatever the qualities or virtues my student speak about me, it is because of the Shrine of English. So I wish everyone congratulations and all the best for the upcoming plans which we have. We hope that we'll be achieving everything very soon, and not only in South Delhi, but we can take the Shrine of English name everywhere. We can open more branches and we can popularize our institute like any other thing. So congratulations, and see you very soon, everyone.
Hello everybody, my name is Komal, and as you guys know that today we are completing 2 years at Kanpur. So big congratulations to everybody, and I would like to share my journey with you all. When I was in 10th, I came here and now I'm graduated and I'm working here, and I feel blessed because when I was in 10th, when I came here, I was very scared because of many things, like I did not know how to speak, when to speak, where to speak, and many other things. But they all have supported me, all the teachers, my classmates, and especially all the activities. I grown a lot in life. Until now I'm growing just because of the Shrine of English, because I get a lot of positivity here. And if I talk about my teams, I feel that I've got such a best team in my life as well, because they all are very supportive, very kind, and very humble. Whenever I talk to them, or whenever I go to them, that I don't know this thing and please help me, sir. So they all are very humble, they always help me, so I feel blessed. And if I talk about my classmates, so Gagan, Ganesh, Satyam, and many others, they have supported me a lot. So thank you so much everybody. And I would like to share one more thing. As you guys know that here in Shrine, we have many other activities, and just because of all these activities, we all are growing every single day. And my favorite activity is newspaper class because I used to hate newspaper, but just because of Jeet sir or whenever he teaches that, and have supported me a lot. So thank you so much everybody. And I would like to share one more thing. As you guys know that here in Shrine we have many other activities, and just because of all these activities we all are growing every single day. And my favorite activity is newspaper class because I used to hate newspaper, but just because of Jeet sir or whenever he teaches that in classes, I feel blessed and I just love it. So thank you so much everybody, because they all have supported me a lot. And last but not the least, as you guys know that it's a quarantine time, we all cannot go out, so that's why I'm sharing my feeling with the camera, so you all can comment down below. You all can also express your feelings, your views, your point of views below down. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Amit Kumar Jha. Congratulations to all of you for the completion of 2 years here at Kanpur Center. In these 2 years, we have gone through with many new experiences and new experiments for the betterment of English learning that have been really appreciated by many students. And as teacher, we really feel great happiness and extreme satisfaction when those students come to us and tell that how those new ideas really worked and helped in their learnings, and not only in learnings but also in the development of their personality. So having those positive feedback, we really work more on new ideas. This Kanpur Center is really special for us as it has made many dreams come true. One of them is having our own grammar book published that is written by our beloved Jeet sir. So I would like to congratulate to all of you one more time with this promise that the Shrine of English has always been committed towards its teaching. So we will be continue with this quality, and so that you always say yes, you are proud to be Shriner. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, and happy anniversary to Team Shrine for 2 years in Kanpur. It's been a very wonderful years. Even everybody can feel that ये 2 साल हमें पता ही नहीं चले. I hope we'll be doing best, or we have been doing best for 2 years. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everybody. Today marks the 2 years of the Shrine of English at Kanpur. A very special day is today for us. So I want to congratulate all my team members. This beautiful experience I am able to experience because of my team. So I really want to say them thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Without them, it would have never been such a sweet and wonderful journey. And I'm sure that in coming years we'll have some more and many more beautiful experiences like this. Dear ones, I want to tell you that few years back when we were located in Madangir, so I used to dream about a place where we can have so many facilities, where we could experience the best of best environment in which we can learn English. And it was a dream, and you won't believe that this dream I had since some 2008 or 9. I always wanted to build an institute where there would be a sort of mini auditorium, there would be projector, there would be reception and student counselor and many more things. So when we got shifted to this place, so this dream came true. Like whatever I had thought, or I used to think, or I had thought over some 10 years, I just made it possible. So today I would like to say thank you to all those people who made it possible when I was building it. So there were many beautiful souls, they came forward and they helped me in whichever way it was possible. Then once the dream was materialized, then there are many people who come and always help me. Here I would like to speak some special name apart from my team, the people who are always there, and they are not only like students, but they are more than students for me. So here the name of Gagan comes first, that the way he takes care of everything of institute, like he is a real asset to institute, I could say. Then in this institute there are many activities possible. These activities I could not conduct when we were in Madangir. We were limited, though we had passion to teach. I wanted to always teach people in the best way, but I had certain limitations. But here what happened when we came, so my team became catalyst for me. They started supporting me, they were facilitators, so they left me with only one thing, and that is teaching. I had to stop worrying about all the other things, because as I often say, my Hanuman Deepak came. He is a rescuer. He's the one who doesn't let me worry about anything related to infrastructure, related to management. So he is a soul in many ways. Then how can I not talk about Amit and Ashish? They are such a ardent devotee and devotee to institute, and they are the best teachers also. I really appreciate the hard work Ashish puts for different classes, and when he comes and he takes care of everything early in the morning. Amit and Ashish, they come and they start their classes, and then Ashish stays throughout the day. He takes care of almost all the classes when the other teacher is not possible. So this is a time to say thank you to all those people. Then along the way, when we were doing well or we needed someone, then Komal came and she started working as a student counselor, and she started helping students to convey what they wanted to convey to us. Sometimes there was a gap, so she became a sort of bridge for us. And last but not the least, the backbone of my institute, that is of course my brother. When it comes to management, if you are able to see this beautiful online classes, if he were not there, these things would have never been possible. If we are a bit techie today and we are competing with the people who have wonderful online classes, so a lot credit goes to my brother, because as you all know that I'm not at all good in all these technical things, but he's the one who takes care of all the technical things, and of course management thing, he manages everything. I don't have to worry about finance and all these things. From where the things are done, probably he knows. So in nutshell, I want to say that it is a dream not of mine only. All these people who are working, they had this idea, they had this dream somewhere in their mind. They wanted to create something extraordinary. They all came up together and they created this extraordinary place we call the Shrine of English. Kanpur, it gave us a kind of platform where we all can come and contribute to society. We all always wanted to contribute something to society in our own way. So Amit, a wonderful teacher who wanted to do something for society, so he came and he comes with always his great ideas. Ashish, Deepak, Pusu, and other people. The Shrine of English, including me, it's a platform for the creative people, a platform for the people who have enthusiasm to do something for others. So it gives that kind of platform to all of us. So on this special day, I want to say thank you to all those people from the bottom of my heart for making it such a beautiful day. And I'm glad that you all are in my life. You all are making Shrine of English soar day and night, and it's going up and up. And of course we are the best in many ways, and I'm sure with your help we will always be the best. Thank you so much. With this beautiful from this beautiful evening, I want to promise you one thing, that as the quarantine gets over and we are back to our work in our institute, so we'll have a party, we'll all enjoy together, we'll not miss this party, we'll certainly enjoy. And I'm wishing everybody a wonderful time ahead, and whatever is possible, keep doing in your own way, and we'll meet very soon. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. So today is a very special day because we have completed exactly 2 years today on this current location, Kanpur. Yeah, I'm talking about my institution, the Shrine of English, the best place to learn English. Yes, we have completed today 2 years here at this place. So we are very happy, we are very excited. As you must have been seeing previously, all the teachers, staff members of the Shrine of English, they were putting their views. So I also want to congratulate each one of you, because it is not only important for me, but it is important for you. आज अगर Shrine of English कुछ है तो वो जीत सर का सपना, जीत सर की मेहनत, हमारी पूरी टीम की मेहनत के साथ साथ आप में से हर एक स्टूडेंट जो कभी भी द श्राइन ऑफ इंग्लिश से किसी भी बहाने से जुड़े थे, हर एक वो पर्सन जो किसी भी बहाने से द श्राइन ऑफ इंग्लिश से जुड़ा था, आप सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं। आज इस खुशी के दिन पे मैं आप सभी को कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहता हूँ, बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। चाहे आप अभी करेंट स्टूडेंट हैं, चाहे आप एक्स स्टूडेंट हैं, या आप किसी भी तरीके से द श्राइन ऑफ इंग्लिश से कभी भी जुड़े थे, तो मैं आपको दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ श्राइन ऑफ इंग्लिश को यहाँ पहुँचाने के लिए जहाँ आज हम हैं। ज़्यादा ना बोलते हुए शुक्रिया। अगर आप अपने कोई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देना चाहें, रिव्यूज़ लिखना चाहें, तो इस वीडियो के नीचे लिख सकते हैं। That's it for now. See you tomorrow.